not going to school tomorrow. Fuck that.
Man, it's the last day.
I have to go to school. I'm going to school and skip football.
I have a exam.
No. No, you can shoot that belt.
I'm gonna blow that shit up. That's
Yeah, dude, the biggest, like... Yo, so we can't get my phone in the wall today.
Someone just needs to ass cracker that.